Hi friends, hi YouTube, hi my little clowns. I'm so out of it, I'm so sorry, but if you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup, and I've been really getting into this like whole glam, soft glam, traditional glam, glowiness that I have going on right now. This is just me getting ready for a date that hopefully goes good, so yeah. But I'd love to have you join my little clown parade, or I'd love to at least have you watch something, like something, comment, you know, do something while you're here. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try going out on a date again. We will see how this goes. I don't know. I need to put earrings in. But I think I'm gonna play with the Jade Beauty Bay palette. I haven't played with it in a while. It's one of my favorites. I think I'm gonna try dipping my toes in some of these neutrals. And yeah, if you watched my last video, at the very end of my last video, you would know that I accidentally got put in a group chat with like a bunch of other women because a dude actually added us all in there. And now we've all become really good best friends. So yeah, well, minus a couple of us. Two of them, well, one of them, Brittany. My God, Brittany. But I have a message from him. He's cute, he's nice, he seems like chill, so I'm gonna try. Again, like one of the girls that I had like made friends with in this is absolutely fucking beautiful. Like they're all beautiful. How this dude fumbled us all is insane. But she was wearing this like gorgeous neutral like eye look, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try and do that. So that's what I'm going to try and do. My eyes already primed, set, all that stuff. Also, if I'm filming, that means one, I'm occupied and I'm not overthinking, and two, then if it goes bad, I have something to do afterwards to keep my mind off everything. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start. Am I even in? Okay, I am. With this shade right here called Chakra or Good Vibes Only. I haven't really decided. I think we'll start with Chakra. I'm gonna go on, I'm gonna do that with a Rephr 15. Where's my mirror? I'll just use this one. It's huge. Oh my goodness. I'm nervous though. Like, I'm not kidding when I say that I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Because last time I went on a date, I thought, oh, you know what? This one really good. And then it proceeded to go really good. And then he was like, well, a couple more trial runs and then we can, just to see if you can handle me. And I thought, oh, that means, I'm gonna get a new label. No. He just dipped, and then I asked him to communicate like an adult, and he couldn't. We're just gonna do a nice little neutralish eye, probably a pop of color. My shirt's from Walmart, my earrings are from Walmart. My nose ring is from Amazon. Yeah. It is so toasty in my room, so if I turn my fan on, I hope you don't mind how annoying it is. It's so bad. My God. Okay, but I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Capricorn. It's a very nice cocoa dark brown. I ended up just turning on like my normal fan. Also, I don't know if you can see Bob, but Bob is asleep like right here, like dead asleep. He's so cute right now. But again, I'm gonna go in with that Capricorn shade and just put that in here to deepen it out a little. I need to realize I need to turn this way so y'all can see me. I realized that yesterday when I was editing that I was at an angle the whole time. So let me just scoot a bit closer. Jan has this like nice little towel to like clean all her brushes off, and I just use my pants. Whatever works, it works, you know? Okay, we're gonna blend that out a little. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of either affirmation or Nefertiti. No. I can't even say it. Why am I sucking so bad at words? I'm not even going to try to say it. I know that it's a god. I can say it usually, but it's not working. But I'm going to mix those two shades in right here. Nefertiti. See? Ah, my god. I can say it. It just takes my brain a little bit. But I'm putting that on the outer edge of the lid. What else? What else should we do? Because I don't know if I'm going to wear the shirt. I really don't know if I'm going to wear the shirt. Or if like I'm going to wear... I don't want to wear my dress, but it's like I have nothing else to wear. And I don't know what he's going to wear, so... I think I'm going to take the eensy tiniest bit of this shade right here called Angel of the North. It is a like maroon burgundy. I'm just going to plop a little bit of that into right here, putting the brush extremely lightly on the skin just so I don't get a lot of the color, but just so then I get a little bit. Brush my brush off and blend. Holy moly, am I nervous. Like I said, he's cute. He's really nice. Like I told Shawnee, he seems almost too good to be true. Okay. Does that look okay? Ah! Do we do some golds? Or do we... I don't know what to do. Okay, just for now, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Intention. It's just like a bone color. And I'm going to be putting that in the inner corner. Also, I'm just cranking out videos this week. My goodness. I'm so happy about that though. Like, I enjoy this. I'm thinking... like a pop of color in the under eye. I'll insert something that Jan did. Oh, guys. Okay. Do we do the blue or do we do this green? Thinking the blue. Okay. I am burpy because of this frickin' Celsius. This is the mango passion fruit. Are you up? Okay, but I'm gonna go in with, what did I do? The Good Vibes Only and the Nefertiti. And I think the Chakra was the original 3, so I'm gonna do the under eye real quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just ended up taking a little bit of that Chakra shade and putting it in the under eye. But I'm gonna go in with, I think it was the shade right here called Halo. Just taking a little bit of that on my finger. I'm just lightly putting it right here. I don't want to put like a lot on, but I needed something. I needed something, okay? How are we feeling? How are we feeling about it? Holding this fucking palette with my hand is like making my freaking hand hurt. Okay. I need the light for over here. I need more because this side has a lot. But I'm going to put my lashes on, which these are the Kiss Lash. Like Something Naked Drama and Chiffon. Everything will always be linked in the description. I always make sure that everything that I've ever used is in the description. So I'm going to go do that and then I'll come back for face. And then we'll talk about how even more panicky I am right now. I just put a little bit of the Sky High mascara that I use on the under eye. This eye won't stop watering, no, oh my lordy. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my ColourPop sticks. I'm going to do bronzer first. I also have my mirror right here for once. The thing is that I don't like to have my mirror right here. Only because then I'm so tempted to turn the light on and I'm liking the natural lighting. I'm sort of just using the bronzer stick as a cream contour right now, so fuck, I just choked. Nothing. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush. There's such sun coming in. I don't know if I want to use this color though, so I might do a mix of this. I want to do a cream product though, so I think I'm gonna go in with just a mix of the Melt Lynx Cream Blush Light, this one, and a mix of this pink, which I know is stupid, but I don't know. Again, not a lot. Do I look like a clown? Oh, well, I look cute. Oh my gosh. Why have I not been using cream products this whole fucking goddamn time? And we'll just put a little bit of blush up here. Not that I need it, but I am going to take whatever's left on my brush and sort of brush it around. Since my face is incredibly unevenly tan. Then I'm going to go in with this, the light stick in Glazy. Take a little bit here, put a little bit here. I'm nervous. So I think I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Candy Floss Super Shock highlighter just because it is more of a creamy-ish texture to give me the boob glow that I'm looking for, since that did not do what needed to be done. And then we're gonna put a little bit up here on the collarbones. It looks shiny. I hope I do. Okay, now for a lip. Thinking this is my go-to nude one. So I'm just gonna try it. I need to find a lip liner. This is the Basic Beauty one. And then this is the NYX Liquid Suede one that I don't even know if they have anymore. The thing is that I don't even know where we're going to eat. How am I supposed to know what I'm going to order if I haven't looked at the menu yet? Even though I've gone to all these places before. Okay, so this is the final completed look. I'm in my dress since it's the only sort of like, I don't know, dressy-ish, nicer thing that I have. I only have sweatpants and work clothes, so yeah. But this is the final completed look. I know I keep doing a lot of neutral looks, but like this is like the most like soft, not a soft glam, but just like, I don't know what I'd call this. I need to fix this lash, but I'm really loving this. I'm really loving this style. I'm really loving how I'm doing like my foundation, like not my foundation because I'm not wearing foundation, but like my face. I feel like it's going really well. I'm loving it. I feel like I look glowy. I feel like I look cute. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you. I appreciate it. Wish me luck. Yeah. So remember to not be racist, not be transphobic, do not be homophobic. It's a lot easier and wastes a lot less energy to not be a piece of shit, to ignore the things that you do not like, the things that you do not understand, and just be a good mother effing person and grow up. But I hope you're doing good. I hope good things happen to you, and to remember to be kind and to be safe.